An amiable welcome to everyone. This is your Lecdem channel to enhance your understanding. Today's topic is about sterilization. Sterilization is nothing but a method which involves removing or destroying microorganisms which are responsible for contamination and infection, and they can be present in any surfaces or at any materials. What is sterilization? It is a process by which an article, surface or medium is made free of microorganisms which are either in vegetative or spore form. Next, uses of sterilization. Sterilization can be done for any materials, especially for instruments. Those are used in surgical and diagnostic procedures, and also for media and reagents. Those are used in microbiology lab. Then in food and drug manufacturing, sterilization is done to ensure safety from contaminating organisms. Methods of sterilization. There are two methods of sterilization. One is physical method, the other is chemical method. Physical methods. So physical methods include sunlight, heat, and this involves dry heat and moist heat, ozone, filtration, and radiation. Chemical methods. By this method, sterilization can be achieved by using disinfectants or any chemical agents. This includes alcohols, aldehydes, phenols, halogens, oxidizing agents, salts, surface active agents, dyes, and vapor phase disinfectants. Sunlight. So it is a natural method of sterilization which has an active germicidal effect due to its content of UV rays. Sunlight can sterilize waters in tank, river, lake, etc. Then heat. It is the most reliable and commonly employed method of sterilization, and it should be the method of choice unless contraindicated. There are two types of heat. One is dry heat, the other is moist heat. Dry heat sterilization. So, dry heat sterilization involves the following procedures, that is red heat, flaming, incineration, and hot air oven. Red heat. This involves inoculating wires or loops, tips of forceps, and needles are held in the flame of a Bunsen burner till they become red hot. Then flaming. Glass slides, scalpels, and mouth of culture tubes are passed through Bunsen flame without allowing them to become red hot. Incineration. By this method, an instrument called incinerator can be used to reduce an infective material to ashes by burning. Soiled dressings, animal carcasses, bedding, and pathological materials are dealt with this method. Then hot air oven. It is the most widely used method of dry heat sterilization. Here comes the picture of hot air oven, which is electrically heated and thermostatically controlled, and this instrument can be used for sterilizing many laboratory glasswares. Next, moist heat sterilization. It is also otherwise known as steam sterilization. It is done by using an instrument called Autoclave, but on small scale a pressure cooker can be used. Moist heat is more powerful when compared to the dry heat because the penetrating power of steam, also the thermal capacity of steam, is much more than of dry heat. Next, autoclave. It works on the principle of saturated steam under pressure, in which it increases the pressure, boiling point, and also produces the steam with high temperature. Then pasteurization. It is the method used to make milk safe and improve with keeping qualities. The original method was developed by LOUIS Pasteur to prevent the souring of wine. TYNDALLIZATION. This technique was developed by a bacteriologist named TYNDALL. This method of sterilization is used for the spore-forming microorganisms. Then ozone. Ozone sterilizer uses oxygen, water, and electricity to produce ozone within the sterilizer and provides sterilization without producing toxic chemicals. Filtration. This method of sterilization is used for substances which get damaged by heat process. For example, sera, sugars, antibiotic solution, etc. There are some types of filters which include candle filters, asbestos disc filters, sintered glass filters, air filters, and syringe filters. Radiation. Radiation is also called as cool sterilization, as heat is not used for sterilization. There are two types of radiation. One is ionizing radiation, which include gamma rays, and for non-ionizing radiation, it is infrared and UV rays. Thank you.